Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. So this works on any PC if you don't have a TPM 2.0 or 1.2, secure boot, or a supported processor. So it works on any PC. So let's go right into google.com or .ca if you live in Canada. Let's type in download Windows 10, excuse my spelling, and let's click on the first link. So you'll scroll down, you'll select download tool now, click on that. It'll bring up the media creation tool, and you're just going to click on that right away. Click yes, and it's going to get a few things ready. Once you see the terms and conditions, just click accept. And we don't want to upgrade this PC now because we already have Windows 10 on it. So we'll just create a installation media USB flash drive. Click next. And use recommended settings, that's all good. Windows 10, 64-bit. Click next. And you're gonna have to plug in a USB flash drive, and it actually needs to be 8 gigabytes. So I have a 32 gigabyte plugged in right now. So do that now and plug it in. Once we plug it in, we can go into USB flash drive, click next. And we'll see a few USBs in the system. I've named this Windows, the F drive here, and we'll use that for our installation media. So let's click Windows, click next. Now it'll be downloading Windows 10, and this will take maybe a few minutes to several, and this will be depending on your connection. So just give it a little bit of time and it will download Windows 10. So your USB flash drive is ready. So select it as the F drive there. So we'll just click finish. We're just going to go back to Google and we're going to search download Windows 11. And we're just gonna click on the first link. So what we're actually gonna do is create Windows 11's installation media. So we'll click download now. We'll open Windows 11 installation media and we'll click yes. You'll click I accept. Just use recommended options for this PC. Click next. And we'll actually select a USB flash drive. So you'll actually need a second USB flash drive to make this work and have it really easy to transfer over the install file. So go to USB flash drive, click next, and we'll select Windows 11. And this one is 16 gigabyte flash drive, and my Windows 10 one is actually 32 gigabytes. So we'll just select the G drive here, click next, and we're gonna have to wait a little bit here. You'll have to download Windows 11, and that'll be depending on your connection, how fast that will be. So we'll see the flash drive is actually ready to go, and that is the G drive. So now we have two USB flash drives, one Windows 11 and one Windows 10. So they're both ready to go. So we want to click finish. And we'll see here, we'll open up the File Explorer here. And on this PC we have two drives. So the G drive is Windows 11 and the F drive is Windows 10. So what we want to do is open up both. So we'll open up the Windows 10 drive, have that to the left, right click the File Explorer, have that to the right, we'll just minimize out of that. So we'll have the two drives next to each other. We'll have the F drive and the G drive. So the F drive is the Windows 10 on the left and Windows 11 on the right. So what we want to do is both go into sources, and we'll go down to install, and we can type it in and it will actually search it right quickly. And we can scroll down even to install. So you'll see install on both. So the Windows 10 sources install, that's actually a bit bigger than Windows 11. So the smaller amount is Windows 11 and the bigger amount Windows 10. So what we want to do is delete the Windows 10 install.esd. Very simple, just delete it. Just click yes. That'll be deleted, and we're going to drag over the Windows 11 install. So we're actually wrapping Windows 10 configuration and everything about your hardware, everything all good to go in a Windows 11 container. So we're going to drag install into the sources of the Windows 10 USB. And this will take a little while here. Sometimes plugging in your USB into a 3.1 USB port will speed up this process, but my front USBs are just convenient, so sometimes you just gotta wait a little longer for convenience. That's how the world works. So after the install is completed, we can see install.esd, and this is actually Windows 11. So we've transferred over, nothing funny about this, no funny business. It's FAT32 format on both, so there's no issues with transferring these data because this is under 4 gigabytes, so we're lucky there. Anyways, so let's close the Windows 11 installer, and we have the Windows 10 installer here. So I'll have the setup here and everything. So we're gonna go right into clicking setup. Click yes. Windows will pop up, it'll be preparing. We'll minimize that. It'll say install Windows 10. Now, and we don't want to download any updates or drivers, so we're actually going to say not right now. So just make sure you click that and not right now, because then it will just download Windows 10 stuff. So click not right now and then click next. It'll be checking our PC. Don't worry about Windows 10 setup or telling you it's Windows 10. It's actually Windows 11. So click accept. And it will actually say install Windows 11 Pro. And that's what we have. And we'll also just keep personal files and apps, and you can change what to keep as well if you'd like. But right from there, we'll click install. And from here, I'm going to be filming just the monitor because I don't have a capture card or anything, and I'll walk you through the steps to install Windows 11 Pro. So this is ready to go, and we'll go from here. And just like that, Windows 11 with the middle taskbar. I'm going to go into the taskbar settings and make that left alignment, just like Microsoft intended for the past 20 plus years. So right from there, this is Windows 11. everything works great. You can go right into the settings and go to Windows Update, and we have some updates. So we're just going to download now. Everything works. Even the new cumulative update is available for us. So let's install it, sure. And I'll just go to the About section. And my device is pretty unsupported here. So I have a really old Intel i7 processor, 2700K, and I have no TPM or Secure Boot on. And I'm running Windows 11 Pro. So that works all great. And just like that, Windows 11 works beautifully, actually. And that's how you install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. And this is super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.